The Wolf troubleshooting guide mentions the spark module and the electrode. However, the microswitch is also listed below, but not in the parts list. The microswitches can be purchased on Amazon or other appliance stores. In order to get to the microswitch, you have to remove the bullnose off the front of the oven. This is just simply taking off all the knobs that are there now and 4 screws from the front. It helps to have someone to help you, but after removing the knobs and the 4 screws, the bullnose lifts completely off. I placed mine on a stool so I didn't have to completely take the wires off. The igniter on the left is sticky, and that's what causes the igniter to keep going. You need to turn the power off before replacing these, as they are using line voltage. When replacing the bullnose, this piece of trim in the center is important to get lined up, as are the latches that you have to pull through the 2 holes in order to make sure that it completely fits flush again. I hope this video helped you as much as it helped me.